Painting and patching up your tractor may seem like a lot of work, but the benefits far outweigh the effort. A fresh coat of paint can not only improve the appearance of the tractor, but it can also prevent rust and corrosion, which can help improve the lifespan of the tractor. We at Sparex think this is really important. So today, we're going to run through our paint range and the products that we have to offer. And later, we'll be down on the farm, pushing one of our freshly painted panels to the limit. Will Agricolour survive? Find out later. Here we've got half a bonnet off of a Ford 4600. We've stripped it back to bare metal and we've applied 2 coats of our Agricolour primer through our spray gun. Next, we're going to apply our blue gloss, which is suitable for the Ford 4600. Sparex has a huge range of paint within our Agricolour range. Whatever the make or model of your tractor, we will have the match for you. Within the Agricolour range, we offer both tinned paint and aerosol paint, making it as easy as possible for you to apply. Not only does Sparex have the quantity, but they also have the quality. Agricolour is the best paint you can get for your tractor. We have done extensive testing in the lab and found that Agricolour came on top for durability, ease of application and drying speed. With this paint, it can only take 1 hour to be touch dry. However, we recommend that you leave it for 8 hours in a warm environment to let the paint properly cure and harden. But just how tough is it? We have conducted some tests to see how tough this paint really is. Here we have a Massey Ferguson 165 panel which has been primed, painted, clear coated and given the recommended time to dry. First up, the drop test. Wow, still looks good. Diesel spills can be common on farms. To put Agricolour to the real test, we're going to be pouring this can of diesel over our freshly painted panel. And it still looks good. Now, let's try mud and manure, which could be launched at your freshly painted tractor whilst in the field. Wow, and it still looks good. Let's throw everything we've got at this panel. Wow, that really goes to show how good Agricolour is. How about those tight lanes with those low-hanging trees and branches smacking into your freshly painted tractor? Wow, that is amazing. It still looks good. Now, let's put it to the real test. What happens if we crush the panel? Will the paint survive? The panel might have broken, but the paint hasn't cracked. That's just amazing. It really hasn't. It really hasn't. That is good. I think we've proved how much we can push Agricolour to its limits. Now that our bonnet has dried from earlier, we're now going to fit it to our Ford 4600. So we've now fitted our freshly painted bonnet to the tractor. Now we've just got the rest to do.